Hey, what is going on, guys? I hope everybody is having a great week. So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about some beard gear. So just keep watching. Hey guys, first things first, just to let you know, I do beard stuff, I do hair stuff, and I do shave stuff. And occasionally, just occasionally, I'll even have a drink with you. So if you like that, hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell that's next to it and you'll know when any of that happens. Let's just get into the video. I am just going to talk about just my experiences and my thoughts in regards to beard combs. So first things first, guys, when you're growing a beard, if you've started growing a beard, you're going to get to a point where you want to start managing it. And that could mean you're going to start using some oil or maybe a balm, but you're still going to need something to kind of help work all that in. And typically the first thing you're going to buy is a comb of some sort. And I'm pretty sure that, you know, some guys will just kind of pick up the comb they've been using for a while to help that out. And that's fine, but I would truly recommend, guys, get some sort of an actual beard comb. So the first type of comb I'm going to talk about is a plastic comb. With plastic, and like anything else, there's always good quality and there's always bad quality. Get the good quality comb. This is a Kent comb. This is a handmade comb, and it is cut, okay, to get the little tines right here, or the teeth, if you will, of a comb. These are actually cut. This is not molded. So a good quality comb is going to be cut. Typically a lower quality comb will probably be molded, and you can tell when you really get up close to these, like the little teeth that are tines here, you'll see a little plastic like flange that'll be around it if it's a cheaper comb. This comb doesn't have that. They cut these in here. What that does is it creates a very nice comb for to move through your hair. So what I like about this particular comb is that it's sturdy. I mean, it's a very sturdy comb, very good quality plastic, and like I said, well made, and it just moves right through the beard. Does a very good job. So after you put your product in, it's always good to just comb through your beard. It's called the Kent comb, and like I said, if this is something you want to pick up, go ahead and pick this one up. This is a shorter one. They do make different sizes. So this one, definitely, if you're going to go with plastic, I'd recommend this one. Very comfortable to use. Some people will make comments in regards to like static and plastic. I haven't noticed anything super negative with my beard, but you know, like I said, this will definitely get the job done, and it is very comfortable to use in the beard. The second type of comb I'm going to talk about is the wood comb. And once you've kind of gotten into managing your beard and looking at beard products, you'll see these pop up on websites or what have you. This particular one comes from the Rock Beard Company, and this is, for me, for my personal style that I keep my beard, this is a very effective comb for me because of my beard length. I generally keep just a shorter beard, and this particular style of wood comb works best for me. And I'm going to show you. Hang on, I'm going to show you. You will come across these are other wood style combs, and I've gotten these because I've ordered kits, they've come with them, or what have you. These combs are great. I love these combs. I love the woodworking. It's awesome. I mean, these are gorgeous combs. I do not have the beard for these type of combs. Like this one, just because of how it's made, this is really meant to help guys with like larger beards. We're talking like the ones that come down to here. That's what these are for. Wood combs are really good for really taking any like your natural oils that your skin produces, or even when you put beard oil in, they really, because of the wood and it being a porous material, it hangs on to some oil and it will kind of take it with it through the beard. So it does a really great job just kind of helping along the natural process that your beard has. Like I said, the natural oils your skin produces, it'll pick those up and carry them right through the hair shaft. This particular style works very well for me with my size beard, and this will work well for a larger beard. Again, very effective. I enjoy using this comb a lot. Very comfortable. Definitely, it does make contact. It gets through my beard. Very, very good comb. I like this one. Something else that's really cool here. If you look at this, guys, I don't know if you can see like a little bit of discoloration right here. That is where like the different oil products I've used, they're in this comb now. It helps that natural process along. Very cool with the wood combs on that. The final comb I'm going to talk about, and this is one I've used, I've just started using recently, but I've really enjoyed it so far, and it is a metal comb. For one, me personally, I love metal work, and I saw this advertised on this one I got from the Ferocious Beard Company. I saw this advertised on their website, and so I went and bought one just to try it out. Pretty decently, it's made from like a thick sheet metal, okay, and that's fine. And one of the concerns I had when I bought this, I go, I wonder if this is going to feel kind of like, if it'll have like a little bit of a scraping effect. It does not. It's hard to show here, but the tines, the ends here, they're machine rounded. They're rounded out. So when you use it, it's very comfortable. Very comfortable on the skin. It does not have a scraping effect at all. I was a little worried about that just being metal, but it doesn't. It does not have a scraping effect. And what's nice about this feels as though it's combing the most thorough. Like you can really feel it, get through the beard and really make contact with the face, and you just slowly take it through your beard, and it just really, you can just feel like it is just grabbing everything and just straightening everything out. Very good stuff. I really enjoyed it. When my beard was a little longer through the sides, it did a really good job, like really just kind of keeping everything in control. Very good. Just like I said, it has a very thorough feel when you're combing. It's almost like a good blending of like a good plastic comb and a good wood comb. I've enjoyed using it so far. I just get a really good sense of control when I'm using the metal comb here. So all I got now for you guys is, what comb do you like to use? Do you like plastic? Do you prefer wood, or do you prefer metal? I personally, after kind of using these for a while, I really like the feel of the wood and the metal. The plastic is nice. I keep a plastic comb with me when I go to work. It's just easy to grab onto. It's lightweight, easy. It's smaller, so it packs away well. But what do you guys like to use? Leave that down in the comments below, or if you have any questions, leave those down below. Hit that subscribe button, and you know what, guys? I hope you have a great week. Take care.